Welcome! I'm going to show you how to edit the transparent PNG version of a living room mockup in Pixlr. So go to pixlr.com in any web browser, pixlr.com, and it'll give you a couple of options. We'll click on the Pixlr X button. And then we need to open the mockup, so we'll click on the Open Image button on the left-hand side. And then we'll find one of the PNG mockups. There's multiple sizes, so we'll find the canvas layout we want to use. It's going to ask us if we want to size the image down. We don't really want to do that, so we'll just click Original and then click Apply to open the original size. And now we just need to add your artwork behind this transparent area. So to do that, we'll click on this little icon with the mountains and the sun that says Add Image when you hover over it. And then we'll click Browse to find the artwork on the computer. And now we need to drag this to the back layer. So the bottom layer right now is locked. So to unlock it, we can double click on this little padlock icon and that'll make it unlocked. We could also click on this 3-dot icon. That'll open up the layer menu, and then you can click Unlocked if it was locked. And now that we've unlocked the background layer, we can just take the top layer with your artwork and literally just drag it underneath. And now your artwork is on the canvas just like that. If you needed to resize it, you could hold down the Shift key to keep the artwork proportional, and then just click and drag any one of the 4 corners. And just like that, you're done. Now you just need to click the Save button at the bottom of the screen. If you're going to use this online on a website like Etsy, you're going to want to save a version as a JPEG. So we'll click JPG and we'll change the quality to 100. We'll leave it on high and then just click Download. And it's just going to let you know that the image was saved to the default download folder. It'll also give you an option to change that folder if you want to do that. And if you wanted a layered Pixlr document, you can come back here and click Save a second time. And then just click PXC and click Download again. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.